Hello, this is Lucy and Ted Ramos from the Ramos Real Estate Group. Welcome to our newest listing at 3649 Dublin Boulevard, located at the Villas and Dublin Ranch. This home boasts 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Come and enjoy these great amenities with a sparkling pool, spa, exercise facility, and a clubhouse.
Yeah, this really is a great location. You can walk to the restaurants at Grafton Station. You've got entertainment close by at Hacienda Crossings. 580, 680 and BART are close by, and you've got shopping at the San Francisco Premium Outlets. Come take a look at this gorgeous home in a great location. For more information, visit our website or check out our 3D virtual tour.